During pre-site checkout, you need to make sure that the batteries that are installed are in a good state of charge. It's also possible that during testing in the field you'll receive a low battery alarm. A low battery alarm indicates it's possible that the unit will shut down before you finish testing. The best thing to do is to swap the battery out. This is done by turning off the instrument, allowing it to power down. Once the unit has powered down, press both green buttons down on the battery body, pull it directly down, and then release the safety catch on the back side, also green. Removing the battery, then place the protective cap over the battery connection until such a time as you place it in a charger or put it back into a second unit. From the charger, remove whichever battery has a green light if both are not charged. When placing it in the iPA, follow the same process in reverse. Press the two green buttons down. This assures that you've aligned the battery all the way until it is seated and you do not damage the connector. At this point, press the power button to ensure the iPA and battery combination are working well together. When it powers up, you're ready to resume the testing that you were doing.